PureSilver.io presents the most stunning 3D printed sterling silver collection in Indian history. This luxury collection brings together world class Indian designers, engineers, master silversmiths, and gemologists to create masterpieces that the world has never seen before. This designer Nandi bell is about 240 grams and is 7 inches long. It was initially designed in CAD and 3D printed in lost wax casting, finished with artistic gemstone handwork, and finally oxidized to a finishing like no other. This is one of the most highly detailed 3D printed lamps in PureSilver.io's luxury collection. It's 15 inches long and weighs about 1.3 kgs. There is a reason behind us naming it as the good luck lamp. Apart from peacock being the national bird of India, there are many stories of Mayura, which means peacock in Sanskrit, symbolizing good luck. And it is also a sacred bird with references found all over ancient Indian literature. It also features 4 elephants with raised trunks at the bottom, which symbolizes good luck and prosperity. The base is bell-shaped, and if you look closely, this lamp features seashells, which are a sacred treasure from the ocean. This sterling silver Peacock Mayura bell is approximately 260 grams, and its height is about 7 inches. This remarkable sterling silver lamp made with a peacock motif is around 9 inches. Have a look at the detailing of the peacock. Can you get your eyes off on the artwork of this stunning peacock? It's a brilliant fusion of purple, blue, and green stones infused in sterling silver. There are different designs of bigger lamps. This is the most beautiful 3D printed sterling silver designer diya. It's made in 60 grams and measures about 2.5 inches in length. Its intricate patterns are 3D printed and purple gemstones are infused in sterling silver. Hope you enjoyed watching my sterling silverware collections as much as I enjoyed putting them together for you. You can shop all these items on puresilver.io. We offer insured shipping worldwide.